All right guys, working on the 4Runner today. Replacing this front wheel bearing and hub. You can tell shouldn't have that much play and it is off the ground. Let's get it pulled apart. Rotor removed, the caliper, and now we're going to undo this 36mm axle nut, and then there's 17mm bolts to actually pull it off. But you can see the play here, how much that is, which equates to a lot more when you're actually nuts off. You undo all these 4 17mm, and then you just smack. It's free. Push it apart. Now I just got to put on the